Here's a tip when you're replacing a tie rod end. You need to redo the geometry, but you have to go to the garage. Maybe you are doing it at home. So one thing to do is before starting to unscrew this guy, just use the washer here, the nut, and just tighten it, hand tight, in the position when it's normally secured in place, and then just start unscrewing the part itself. And then the new part, you are going to screw it back just up to the knot here, and this way you are going to conserve more or less the original geometry, just the time to go to the garage and not have to wear the steering wheel on the side and stuff like this. And now let's just say when you arrive with the new part, when you just got to the knot itself and the part is not aligned vertical, it should stay upwards like this. Don't turn the part itself, just turn the inner tie rod right there. This is the inner one. Get a wrench and turn it. And turn the tie rod together with the inner rod. And this way you keep the most of the geometry, but you still have to do the geometry at the garage.